The first watches and warnings went up today for what could be the most powerful hurricane to hit the East Coast in 7 years. A Category 3 with winds of 115 miles an hour. The capital, Nassau, was largely spared, but major damage is reported in other parts of the island chain. At last report, Irene was about 600 miles south of moving toward the northwest at 14 miles an hour.
Here it comes.
That is preventing the storm from going east. Instead, it's creating a pathway to carry the hurricane. Right now, it looks like land interaction is almost a certain bet.
David, thank you.